to done on everyone. And I, as far as Mr. Ramakant Konkar is concerned, I personally know. In fact, I even send him a message saying get well soon. And I send him a message also saying that I am sorry for what has happened. It is really bad. See, this as far as this violence and all, this doesn't come in this democratic setup. So everyone has basically has a right to express his opinion. So it is what happened. You also have got a right. I also have got a right. Whatever I have said, you may feel bad what I may have said, but that doesn't mean to say you can come and attack me or you got to attack someone else. This is totally unacceptable.
अरेस्ट केल्या तिथे कितलेशे राजकारण्याकडे त्यांचा संबंध अशी
No, I have got no. See, I have got. बेश्टे कोणाचे बारे फोटो काढले म्हणजे इट डजंट मीन टू से. तू माझ्या बारे फोटो काढतो आणि tomorrow you are say this thing with some crime. I'm just giving an example. It doesn't mean to say, Are you have taken photo, so you're also involved in a crime. It doesn't happen that way. अरे कितले सपोर्टर आहात सगळे पार्टीचे सपोर्टर कोण ना कोण असतात सो इट डजंट मीन टू से पार्टी डजंट सपोर्ट गुंडाइजम नो इन विच वे वेर दे हैव सेड विच पार्टी हैज सेड दैट दे सपोर्ट गुंडाइजम everyone may claim that I am your supporter and you are supporter and especially what happens when they create something that's the time they said I mean तुझे supporter
तुमची केन्ना एसोसिएशन आशिल्लें त्या
सॉरी
तुमची केन्ना तेजे आतां तो अरेस्ट केला आनी कोण मास्टर म्हणून कितें म्हणटा पळय तेजे कडेन तुजी केन्ना एसोसिएशन आशिल्लें
Baba, see, I represented a constituency once upon a time. First and foremost. I have got association with so many people, but I don't have any association with the crime. Thank you.